Hey guys, my name's Alena and welcome to yet another clean with me. I have this issue where I can't keep my room clean, and I've gotten a lot of stuff recently that came either Amazon orders or gifts because it was my birthday recently, and I just need to put things away. It's less about dirtiness and more about just putting things away. And today I also wanted to disinfect because with everything that's going on, I think we could take an extra moment to use some Clorox wipes. I have a little friend right in front of me. She is still sleeping. It is 2 p.m., but that doesn't bother her. So we are going to try to clean without disrupting her too much. But most likely she'll get upset at me. Disregard the cameras I'm going to be using to film this, but this is the mess right here. And then on the counter right here, and then my bed, I guess. But yeah, fun. Ooh, coffee. I should probably change out of my pajama pants. It's not Christmas time, but how many of you are actually wearing Christmas pajamas right now? Because let me tell you, those are the comfiest ones we own. Isn't that right?
People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood, this firewood keeps me sane. Like the teeth from my neck on my gold chain. Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth round my neck on my gold chain. My ghost in my dreams gonna rescue me. misunderstood.